Hello and welcome to Tier 1 Real Estate. My name is Jairo Gomez, the Business Development Manager for our firm. And today I want to talk to you about some more FAQs, some more frequently asked questions that come across our office all the time from different investors, property owners, and people that are looking to get into the rental business. So the question for today is, how informed will I be about what happens with my property? That's a great question. And I think one of the biggest fears for a lot of property owners and investors when dealing with the property management company is they want to know, how am I going to know what's going on, what's happening, will I lose control of my property ultimately, right? And that is not at all the intention or not the purpose of a management company. The purpose of working with a management company like Tier 1 is to allow you to have more resources and a team of professionals available to you so that if something needs to get done in the property, that you know that you can delegate that task and it'll be done at a high and professional level, and you're going to be able to be anywhere, whether having lunch, at home, on the other side of the world, in Brazil, Paris, wherever you're vacationing, and know that you have a team that you can count on to take care of your property and to take care of any tasks that come along with it. Now, with that being said, communication is extremely huge in our office. That is one of the things that we take major pride on, is being one of the property management companies with the best communication out there, so that you know exactly what's going on with your property at any given point. So how do we accomplish that? Is you're going to have a direct line of communication with a customer service representative like myself or a property manager, and you're going to have a team of people in different departments that you're going to be able to call and ask them different questions, whether it's regarding the specifics of the house, whether it's regarding the renters, whether it's regarding the accounting of the books that have to do with your properties. All those things are extremely important, and sometimes you want to be able to access someone that can give you answers, right? And we have multiple mediums to get that done, whether it's email, a phone call, whether it's through our online portal that we set up for you as an owner that allows you to check into your account, view the balances, view any maintenance and work orders that have been processed or requested recently. It also is going to allow you a form of communication so that you can communicate not just to one individual but to the entire office if needed, so that you can send us a message to make sure that if something needs to get done, whether it's an inspection, whether it's a rehab, whether it's something to do with utility billing, or something to do with the buying or selling of the home, all those things can be communicated through our office, and our office can delegate those tasks to someone that can make sure that they take care of it for you, so that you can be very comfortable knowing that your property management team handles it. And so as far as what information you're going to know and what you're going to have access to is basically everything. You're going to be able to completely manage your property, your home, as a real life investor, where you can, at a click of a button or at a punch of a dial, you're going to be able to access information, right, which is crucial and in a very timely fashion. And so as far as handing over a property to a property management team, you should never feel worried about it. You should actually feel excited to know that you have found someone that can actually assist you with your needs, because part of being a real estate investor or property owner is to be able to have more freedom of time and not have to be stuck answering all the renter calls, all the service request calls, and dealing with all the different functions that are necessary in order for the rental unit to function. That is the purpose of a property management team. And so if you feel the need of having someone assist you, or maybe you have someone and you're not, it's not really working out, or you want to see what it's like to work with a top-notch, high-quality level of professionals, give us a call at Tier 1 Real Estate. The best number is 801-486-6200. Once again, 801-486-6200. Or you can send us an email at admin@tier1re.com. Once again, that's admin@tier1re.com. And we would love to be able to service you and show you what quality service is all about. Once again, this is Jairo Gomez with Tier 1 Real Estate. Have a wonderful day.